Hello Chris, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this amazing 2018 CVO Road Glide. The bike is just perfect, it looks awesome, the color is great. It has 20,000 kilometers. I'm selling it for 4288 plus HST and licensing, 117 engine on it. Yeah, it is a US bike. It is in kilometers, so it's 20,000 kilometers on it. I'm gonna start it up for you. It's amazing sound system. What I was saying, it has a great sound system on it. Awesome. It is fully certified. Oil change was just done here and it's ready to go. If you have any question regarding the cycle, please call me back at 915-660-2901 extension 212. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.